to how you can change your name on the Facebook Lite app in just a few simple steps. Whether you recently changed your name or just want a little refresh on your profile, this guide has got you covered, so let's jump right in. Step 1. Open your Facebook Lite app. You'll land on your news feed. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen. Now scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy. Tap on it, then select Settings. From here, tap on Personal and Account Information. Now tap on Name. Here we are. You can now enter your new name. Make sure it follows Facebook's name standards. Once you're happy with it, tap Review Change. You'll be prompted to enter your password for security reasons. Go ahead and do that. After entering your password, you'll see a preview of how your new name will appear. If everything looks good, tap Save Changes and voila, your name change request is submitted. And that's it. Pretty simple, right? If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more useful guides, and share this video with friends who might need a little help navigating Facebook Lite.